Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, August 4, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up. It's a busy day ahead.
Same here. Got a big meeting later.
Oh, meeting's always fun. How many do you have today?
Just one, but it's a long one. What about you?
I've got 2 calls with clients. Sales never stops.
I bet. You're always on the phone.
Yeah, that's my life. Hey, did you see the news about that new trade deal?
Yeah, I did. Some countries are joining to make business cheaper.
That's great for us in sales. Maybe I can sell more stuff with lower costs.
True, it could help projects too. Less money on materials means better budgets.
I like that idea. More money for coffee breaks, right?
Haha, maybe. It's good for the economy, I think.
For sure. If prices drop, everyone's happy.
Let's hope it works out. It's a big plan for many countries.
Yeah. Fingers crossed. I think it could open new markets for us.
That's a good point. New markets mean new chances.
Exactly. I might get some new clients from this.
And I might get bigger projects. It's exciting to think about.
Totally. Let's see how it plays out.
Yes, we'll keep an eye on it. News like this matters.
It sure does. Hey, speaking of news, did you hear about that new app?
Which one? I'm always looking for tech stuff.
It's for tracking projects. They say it's perfect for remote teams.
Oh, I saw that. It helps manage tasks from anywhere.
Yeah, I'm thinking of trying it. My team is all over the place.
It could save time. I like apps that keep things clear.
Me too. Less mess, less stress.
Exactly. Technology is changing how we work so fast.
Totally. Soon we won't even need an office.
Maybe not. But I like seeing people sometimes.
True, coffee chats are the best. Can't do that on an app.
Nope, not the same. I like the human touch.
Same here. Apps are cool, but face-to-face is better.
For sure. It's nice to talk like this every morning.
Yeah, keeps me going. I'd be lost without these breaks.
Me too. Coffee and a chat make the day better.
No doubt. Hey, did you see the news about that huge music festival?
Yes. Thousands of people are going. It's one of the biggest this year.
Wow, that's cool. I bet the city will be packed.
For sure. It's good for local shops and hotels.
Yeah, business will boom. I might even go for a day.
Really? I used to love festivals when I was younger.
Same here. Good music, good vibes, no work stress.
That's the dream. Maybe I'll think about it too.
Let's go together then. Take a break from emails.
Deal. It's nice to have something fun to look forward to.
Totally. Work is important, but so is fun.
Agreed, balance is key, right?
Yep, 100%. Life's too short to just work.
So true. Do you remember any festivals from before?
Oh yeah, I went to one about 5 years ago. It was amazing.
Nice. I went to a few back in the day too.
Good times. Music just makes everything better.
It does. It's a nice escape from the office.
For sure. Hey, how's your project going, by the way?
It's okay, just a lot of details. What about your sales?
Pretty good, actually. Got a new client this week.
Nice. That's always a win.
Thanks. I'm working hard to keep them happy.
That's the way to do it. Keep up the good work.
You too. Got any big plans for later?
Just more work, I think. Need to finish some reports?
Same here. Emails never stop, do they?
Never, but coffee helps.
Haha, for sure. This machine is my best friend.
Mine too. It's the only way to start the day.
Yep. I come here at least 3 times a day.
Me too. It's like a ritual now.
Totally. Can't imagine work without it.
Same. It's the small things that keep us going.
Right. Hey, are you working on anything new?
Yes. A big project with a tight deadline. How about you?
Just chasing more sales. Gotta hit my targets.
You always do. You're good at that.
Thanks, I try. It's all about talking to people.
That's your strength. I prefer planning stuff.
And you're great at that. We make a good team.
We do. Coffee break team, at least.
Best team ever. Hey, did you finish that report yet?
Almost. Just a few more pages. What about your client calls?
Got one done, one more to go. Fingers crossed it goes well.
I'm sure it will. You've got this.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate the support.
Anytime, we're in this together.
For sure. Hey, how's the new computer working out?
It's fast, I like it. Makes work easier.
Nice. Mine's still slow, need to get it to fix it.
Oh, that's annoying. Hope they sort it out soon.
Me too. Can't work with a slow machine.
True. Technology can be a pain sometimes.
Haha, yeah. But we need it, right?
We do. Can't escape it in this job.
Nope. Hey, I better get back to my desk now.
Me too. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
See you later. Take care.
Catch you tomorrow at the coffee spot.
For sure. Don't be late.
Never talk soon.
Bye.
Bye, Alex. Keep rocking those projects.
Will do. Good luck with your sales.
Thanks. Let's keep this coffee routine going.
Always. It's the best part of the day.
No doubt. See you around.
See you. Have a great day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.